Hi students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. It is again a continuation of chapter 1 session 3. This is the final session for your chapter 1 and chapter name is Computer Fundamentals. In this chapter, we have totally 6 topics: definition of computer, 2 main parts of computer, types of computer, CPU, memory, operating system. In the previous sessions, we have discussed the first 4 topics and I have given an introduction about memory. For this session, we are going to discuss about memory and operating system. So what we are going to see about in this session? Memory and operating system. Is memory and operating system. Is memory. Last class I have given an introduction about memory. So we will start with the memory and then we'll discuss the two types of memory. So what is the memory? Is only with the memory we can remember anything. Yes or no? Right. Same way computer also has the memory, so to store all the information. How memory is important for us, same way memory is the essential element of the computer. Without a memory, a computer is of hardly any use. Clear for you? So without memory, will be able to remember anything? No. Same way, without a memory, a computer can't do anything. Clear? Next, 2 types of memory. One is primary memory or volatile memory. Second one is secondary memory, also called as non-volatile memory. Come up with the types again: primary memory or volatile memory, secondary memory or non-volatile memory. We will discuss this in detail for this session. Yes, listen students. First memory, primary memory. It is also called as volatile memory. What is the meaning of volatile? Listen, we are working in a computer. We are painting or we are drawing or we are typing something in Microsoft Word. Now power is switched off. What happens when the power comes back again? The work which we done recently in that files, that is in drawing file, painting or typing, that will be erased. It will not be recovered. Clear? So when the power is off, the content that we are doing currently will be cleared. We can't recover again. So this is called the volatile. Do you understand? Whereas non-volatile is, even though power is switched off, when it comes back, the file will remain same. It will not be deleted. That's why we often used to say always save the file and do. When we click save, it is stored in the permanent memory. If we not save, the work which we have done will be erased. So listen, primary memory is the internal memory of the computer. How in our mobile phone we have phone memory and then memory card. Yes, that is your SD card. This is your SD card, is your external card. Phone memory is your internal memory. Do you understand? Same way, your computer also has the internal memory. Primary memory is the internal memory of the computer, where that is the main working space of the computer. Example, RAM and ROM. In this, RAM is temporary and ROM is permanent. Clear? Yes, in ROM only we will be storing our important files, which will be always permanent. Next comes the secondary memory. So here we say it is an external memory, whereas primary memory is your internal memory and this is your external memory and it is permanent in nature. For example, CD, hard disk, DVD, floppy disk. These are example of a secondary memory, and your pen drive also. Everything comes under secondary memory. So secondary memory, it is also called as non-volatile memory. You know the meaning of non-volatile, right? Yes. And it is external and permanent in nature. Do you have any doubts, students? Clear? Yes? Right. Next comes the operating system. When you on the mobile phone, do you remember it will come as Android. When you on the computer, it will come as Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10. Yes? or when you use Apple phone, it will come as iOS. Do you see these words and all? Right. So these are called as operating system. Yes, now you understand that is very it is important software, right? So it is an operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer, right? So operating system only manages our memory, process and hardware of the computer. Do you understand the importance of operating system? Right. So an operating system is the most important software that runs on the computer. It manages computer's memory, process and hardware. So there are operating system used for computer and used for mobile phones. So what are the operating system used for computer? Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Operating system used for mobile phones, Apple iPhone, Windows phones, Google Android. So these are the operating system used for computer and mobile phones. So what we discussed in this session? Memory. What are two types of memory? Primary memory or volatile memory, secondary memory or non-volatile memory. Next we have discussed about operating system. So I hope you people are clear with these topics, right? Yes, finally we come to the questioning session. Note down the 1 marks. I have given you match the following, find out the correct answer and write down. Next is the 2 mark questions. What is an operating system? Mention the operating system that are familiar. What are the operating system used for mobile devices? Note down the 3 questions. Find out the answer. It is available in the video itself. Yes, go back, scroll it and you can find the correct answer. Study and write and post in your corresponding group. Yes, I hope the session is very clear for you. With this, your chapter 1 is over. Thank you students. Bye-bye.